Hello all. So welcome everyone to Edo. So today we will be discussing here some points about the training methodologies what we follow, and we do also offer other services which is into the digital marketing especially. So I have some information here for you all. So what exactly we do in the training, so how we are actually different from others. So there are many like factors in that way. So many things actually influence, I can tell, because you see things are always like if at all you want to learn something, it should be completely practical oriented. Only then you would be studying it in a very proper methodology. So to just have a complete practical oriented, so we here train even the corporate sectors, we train for the companies, and we also train individually. We also just give up fast track courses, so there are many options for you also, so which you can opt for. So here you can see there are some of the training courses what actually we would provide, so you can even opt any one, like individually also you can take it up if at all you're interested. So the charges would be very less, I can tell. So you can just leave a comment, so we would get back to you. And I would also just give the mail id, see here in the chat box here in the description box, so you can just go to that and we can just go with the things forward so later. So moving forward, so here we have what is SEO. Yes, so here something, it means search engine optimization, wherein we optimize the website. We try to bring the websites on top of the search engine. So it is not that easy. So we will have to implement several factors here to just bring a website on top of the search engine. So what are those factors? How it works? So what do we need to do before that? So all this would be trained to you completely practically here in Eduizigo. So the next thing is pay per click. So this is something which is into the Google AdWords topic. So Google AdWords is something wherein you will learn how to run the campaigns over Google platform, Google AdWords platform. So basically what is needed for that, so you, it would be very easier for you to tell, like it's very easy to just run a campaign or something. See, running a campaign is different, but running a quality campaign is different. So even in the ads also you can see the ad placements keep differing. So what are the main reasons behind it? So how to run a quality ad? So what does that quality score means? So on what actually it depends? All this you'll be learning here in the pay-per-click module, that is nothing but the Google AdWords. So here we have just pay-per-click. So like this you have several things like paper, thousand impressions, and also I think you also have like paper acquisition. You have many things like this, so I will be showing it to you completely practically, so you would learn more and more things actually here. So the next thing what you have is email marketing. Email marketing is something wherein like people try to promote their products or services, say through emails. So how does that work? So there are many tools actually which works on this, which you already know. Might be like you know about Zoho tool already. Like this is one of the free tool wherein like you can learn the marketing technologies there, how the email marketing especially work. So here you will be learning how to actually get the contacts into the dashboard, get the create a list for them, create one template accordingly, and then just send it across to them. So how all these things work, how to actually do this in a proper way, in a systematic way, that is what you will be studying in email marketing module. The next module is all about the social marketing, which is, I can tell, the most important thing. So brand is something which is really very important nowadays. So I think everybody knows. So you are really working hard for your business, everything. It is just because of the brand. So a brand is really doing great. So you may just enter the market very new, but if your brand is really doing great, that is where actually you stand. So how does this work? So what is very much important for that is, one is social media, because people are very much active on their social media platforms. So we will train you on how exactly you need to work on the social media platforms to build the brand of a company. So you can see that only here. So we train you on several factors. It can be running the campaigns on several social media platforms, and also how like how you can do this organically. So without paying anything, how you can create the post, how well you can just design the things, how attractive the post should be. So how creativity you need to be. So each and everything would be trained to you very I can tell, in a very depth way. And there's nothing like something you really need to know before taking up this particular courses. Any of the module you choose, like there is nothing you need to know, but it is very important for you that you should be really interested to take it up, learn completely, and start implementing the things. So only remember this one, So moving forward, you have earning money via blogs. Yes, one of the best module I can tell. So blogging is something wherein like you keep writing blogs. So it's all about like how exactly the blogger really helps you to earn more and more money. So all this you can just get using the digital marketing course. So this is the complete advanced level of digital marketing course if you need completely, or you can even choose any modules particularly which is really important for you, especially. And using this blogging, you will learn how to write articles, how to post the articles, how your post would be there on the Google, and then how the indexing would happen next, and how actually the you can link AdSense to this blog and earn money. So all this you would be learning in the blogging module, one of the best module wherein you can learn how you can earn money out of blogging. Next module going to the Google Analytics. Yes, so Google Analytics is something wherein you do everything, promoting everything is done, but it is very important for you to know how many people came to your site. Only then you can just judge like whatever you're doing, like the strategy what you're applying is in a proper method. So that is where you have Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is one of the most important module I can tell you. So which tells you like how many people are coming to the site, how many like setting up the goals it can be, whether you have reached the goal, so creating a funnel, so many things you have in Google Analytics which you really need to know. So everything would be taught to you practically, so linking your blogging to the analytics, each and everything would be taught to you. So it is a very small fee, no need to think about the fee at all here. So you can just get in touch with us, we would really give you more details about this. And the next you have is online reputation management. Yes, ORM. ORM is nothing but so increasing the reviews. So you always know like whenever we purchase any product or take up any service, the first thing we see is reviews. So if the reviews are not good, we may think again and again whether to take up the service or not. That is because of the reviews. So how to actually build the reviews? So how important it is for the industry? Only if you're really an entrepreneur you would understand, because that is where like your business would grow. So ORM is one of the main important thing I can tell again. So there are several actually modules here which are very important. So I would suggest you to just go with everyone. So if at all you feel like SEO would be fine and SMO and ORM would be fine, Google Ads would be fine. So that is all left to you. So you can take up whichever the course really you need it. So that is what you have it here. So online reputation management is completely with respect to how actually the reviews would be increased and how actually you can build the brand of company. Freelance, yes, through this we also tell you like how you can get the freelancing works. So how actually this freelancing work, and how you can get the projects, how you can work on the projects. So all this would be even trained to use as an extra course. Like there are some extra courses what would be included with your courses and all, so which would be for free again. So we would give you the complete information when you choose this. And the next what you have is content marketing. Yes, content marketing is something where like we try to promote your products or services through the content. See, unless and until your content is good, it is very difficult to reach the people. So for that, what all is needed? So that is what actually we would be training here. So for the content marketing, what is needed? Content is needed. So how do you write the content? How do you promote the content on the social media platforms? It can be on any channel. It can be on a website, on articles, on blogs. How all you just work on this. That is what is actually content marketing. So that we would be training here. The next is like WordPress. Yes, this is one of the best. I can tell you the modules. So where in which you would get 100% free with any of the modules you choose. So if at all you need only WordPress, yes, then that would be a chargeable one. So which we would be discussing whenever if we just get your contact, say if you're interested. So WordPress is also a free and open source content. Yes, so it is actually of the best tool. So an easiest methodology which you can follow to create a website. So that is what we tell you. So very like I can tell you this software we would ask you to install, and how you can just design the website very easily and start working on it. So anybody can opt for this course. We will train you how to design a website first without even coding. So if at all you're interested in coding, then we would go with the coding part. So if at all you're not interested, you're really very new to this field and you don't want to get into the coding platform, not to worry at all. You can just work on this, go with the plugins and all, design a site, and then just work on the promoting technologies like whatever we just discussed now. So these are the things which we would be going through. So, and the last one but not the least, Google AdSense. This is one of the best platform where actually we are right now earning money. So one of the main important I can tell you, so which is really very much needed I can tell. The reason is like through this Google AdSense you would be able to earn a lot of money. So this is all with respect to earning. So once you get the approval from Google AdSense, there's nothing like they start promoting ads on your blogs, what you have written, and that is how actually the charges would be. So nothing to worry. These are the things which you will be going through. So we would also just come up with different videos how you can just promote the services, how you what else the SEO, a bit of training parts. Everything would be even just uploaded here in our channel. So keep subscribing and also just like our videos, so we would come up with many more for you, which would be very interesting and very helpful for each and everyone, I can say. So please do watch and keep watching our videos. So thank you one and all. So take care. Bye.